packed up everything I could fit into my truck and drove from Atlanta, Georgia to Napa Valley. And I've spent the last 15 years learning as much as I could about winemaking and really just trying to find my voice and hone my craft a little bit. I feel like we can create community through music, through wine, through art, through food, through philanthropy. I think it's something that we kind of have a responsibility as a business to have it baked in to where we are helping people. Music is just such a big part of my life. I think it was only natural that we found a way to include it with our wines.